Hello students, so this one is the next problem. Previously we have done the pentagonal pyramid. Here we are going to be solving for hexagonal prism, edge base of 25 mm and height of 60 mm, which is resting it on HP. First we shall construct the hexagon. So hexagon is constructed. Now let's enclose this inside the box. So always any polygon we take, whether it is a triangle, pentagon, hexagon, we have to draw the regular polygon, then we have to enclose this inside the box. Now we are going to give its dimensions and its naming. The name has been given and according to the dimensions also. So first I have to take one of the reference. The front side it can be either edge or corner, because one side is corner, the next side is edge. If I'm going to take this is the front, this is going to be the other end. So we know this distance is twice the side length when it comes to the hexagon, which is going to be 50. So we shall count 5 boxes. 40, 50. Then from 2 to 3 the distance is 43.3. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So it should be, if I'm going to take it, this is somewhat we can see it is 25. It is, which is nothing but 42.5. Here 43, somewhat here, approximately. Next we are going to count the 5 boxes. Then so nearly 44. Now I'll be just giving the numbering just for the reference. So you can see that this point what we have taken is 50 is the left side. So this point is 2, this is 1, this is, so from 2 to 1 we have the annotation C and B. Similarly 3 and 4 annotations E and F. So from 2 to C, which is 12.5. So we shall count the boxes accordingly. So from here it is 10, this becomes 15. So this becomes approximately in between that, 12.5. Here 10, here 12.5. Similarly this is 10, this is 15, so approximately 12.5. Here 12.5. Then I need to find the distance. Between 1 to 4 we have the point A, which is exactly at the midpoint, 21.65. We cannot count it. So approximately you can see that this is 20, this becomes 21. So approximately you can keep it as somewhat here 21. Now we are going to join this. So this point, so hexagon is drawn. Now we need to take the height, which is 60. So from this end point we need to draw the line. Draw vertical line. Now you can take the compass. So 30, 40, 50, 60. You just take the measurement of 6 boxes with the compass, and from here you can cut accordingly. For me it is not possible, so just take this, which is 48.99. so that means I need to cut an arc accordingly here. So this is how I'm going to draw it. Similarly I'm going to draw it here also. Draw the line, cut an arc for all the edges. So instead for me I'll just take the distance. Now after cutting an arc you can just get these lines, you can join it, which is going to be parallel to this. So in computers I can directly select this point and paste it. So this is how we are going to be drawing for the hexagonal prism. Hope you understood. Solve this. Have a good day.